Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying hardware and protecting the system. Open Device Manager, expand Bluetooth, and note the adapter name. This tells you which driver to get. Next, make a restore point so you can roll back if something fails. Once done, connect wired internet or download the driver file to a USB drive. Make sure you have admin rights. Now you're primed to remove old drivers and install the correct update without guessing which package matches your adapter. Now focus on acquiring and applying the new driver. Go to the PC Maker or adapter vendor site, pick the exact driver for your Windows version and architecture, 64-bit or 32-bit, and download it. Uninstall the existing Bluetooth device in Device Manager, choosing to delete driver software if prompted, then run the new installer as administrator. During installation, follow prompts and allow any firmware updates. Once the setup finishes, reboot the PC to finish by confirming functionality and addressing problems. Open Settings, go to Devices and make sure Bluetooth is on. Verify the adapter shows healthy in Device Manager. If issues persist, run Windows Update or the vendor's utility to apply supplemental patches and re-enable the adapter. If connections still fail, use Device Manager to roll back or restore the system point you made earlier. Finally, pair a known good phone or headset to test. If it connects, you're done. If not, repeat driver steps or contact vendor support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.